Hello, can you hear me?
Yep,
Yeah, okay.
I'm here.
Yeah. Okay, so now what I was doing, so here I got this done. The logic is very simple. This is the rules where you are setting up. This is the alert rule. Expression for this is if it is less than, greater than, less than, and equal to this one, then create this alerts. And actually this is less than and greater than. So let me show you here. This is the value for that query. And of course, if you see that this one versus this one, which is it less than or greater than? I think this is greater than. So let's do one thing. Let me add few more things for that. So let me just one more time. Let me check. So enter. This is the one, and I should have one. So now it's greater than, right? So
Mhm.
let's put it up like this and copy this one and modify this code. Go to the rules actually. So here I'm going to write um, alert alert uh, underscore rules.yaml, and here it is. So now I created rules. So as per the discussion, what I did, alert manager is set up, done. Rules I got it, but I have to add these rules in the Prometheus.yaml, else it will not be effective. So what I'm going to do is going to copy this rule. It's the same directory, and here I am going to add it. So here you are going to add the rules. You can add as many rules you want in this YAML format. Here it is. So here I've added this rule. It was already added, so it's okay. Leave it. Now I'm going to do one more thing. My alert manager is running on this one. So I am going to uncomment this. So here, up, okay, and this should be IP address, and IP address 192.168.1.14. So here is my alert manager. Here's my rule, and the flow is very simple. The moment the rules will violate, it will inform the alert manager. Alert manager will send an email with warning. That is what we want. Are you understanding?
Mm-hmm.
So let me kill this process for Prometheus and restart it. And okay, one thing I did not do that. So in the rule, I did not set one extra words. I did now. So kill hyphen n. This is the port number. I mean PID. And now let's get started the Prometheus. Enter. Now let's check it out. This is a Prometheus. Let's check it out. This is the rules. See here, this is the custom rules. This is the custom rules. And this rules, I ignore it, it's a old one. This is the one which I added just now. Unknown, that means it's not evaluated so far. And now it's evaluated. You see here, it's okay so far. Okay. So just wait for a few seconds. And I think it will go and trigger in some time. So just look at your alert manager. Here it is. You see that this alert has been created, and if you would have given the right email address and SMTP servers, this is the one alerts you got it. Now what to do? So this is the queries and warnings, severity warnings. So you can do whatever you want. You want to silence this one, or you want to see the source of it, or you want to do some info and stuff like that. You can do that. Make sense? Hello? Hello.
I'm listening.
Yeah. So this is the way you can set up alert manager. And so again, I'm repeating, install the alert manager, run the rule files, add the rule files in the Prometheus, and then start this Prometheus, and then it will just
Okay.
okay. Any other questions that you have?
Uh, no, not at the moment. I mean, it just later when like I have more time, I'll practice.
Yeah. Okay, so let's have other sessions in which I'll talk about the remaining component of Prometheus, which includes push gateway and few more, which includes we have recording rules, prompt QL, and push gateway. So 3 to 4 more topics are there. We should be able to do that in the next session. Will that be okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'll send you the recordings for this. Practice it, and you come up with a list of questions, and also propose for the next sessions. So we'll have it. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions so far?
No, this is helpful. When do we meet next?
Let's do